instructions. Hindi naman si Salishi may gusto nito eh. Ang daddy at mommy. Diba? She's just excited to see toys. Pag bumibili kami ng mga food niya sa fast food chain na to. But of course, the collectibles. Si mommy and daddy ang may pilit. See the wall? See that? And there you go. Zodiac sign sa likod. Yes, zodiac signs. See that? The cute of them. Here's batch. Mga na doble-doble. Actually, yung dami yan. Pinamigyan na natin yung iba. And this one. See? So cute.